A very good morning, students. Today, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the uses of leaves. Yesterday, what we learned? Yesterday, we had learned about the cold regions, plants growing in the cold regions, plants growing in the warm regions, plants growing in the near to the sea. All things we have learned and their uses also. So, today we are going to learn the uses of leaves. आज हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? यूजेस ऑफ लीव्स. जो पत्ते होते हैं, पत्ते का हम किस तरह से प्रयोग कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. लीव्स मेक फूड फॉर द प्लांट. सो लीव्स क्या करते हैं? इट कैन मेक फूड फॉर द प्लांट. जो लीव्स होते हैं पेड़ के लिए वो खाना बनाते हैं. देन द बिग लीव्स ऑफ कोकोनट, palm and date palm are used to make roofs of huts. So I have seen some big roots, big leaves of coconut, palm trees are there. Yes or no? So that leaves, what we are doing, we are keeping on there our roofs, house roofs. So rain will not come inside that one, for that one. Before it was using like that only. Leaves of neem and tulsi. Plants are used to make medicines. Neem leaves are also dried away harmful insects. Now leaves of the tulsi and the neem. So we are still now we are using neem leaves, tulsi leaves. Yes or no? Nowadays tulsi का काढ़ा, yes, सब लोग पीते हैं क्योंकि कोरोना दूर भगाने के लिए. Again, and it is a very good medicines for us. We have to be drink that one also. Tulsi leaves and the neem leaves also. It is the medicines plants. A banana leaf is used for serving food. Do you know banana leaf? Banana leaf is good for the serving of the foods. Banana leaves के ऊपर हम खाना भी खाते हैं. Color from mehndi leaves is used to make designs on hands. Mehndi color is also used to color hair. Color of mehndi. ऐसा no leaves के पत्ते जो होते हैं, मेहंदी के पत्ते जो होते हैं, हम कूट कर बारीक करके उसके हाथ के ऊपर डिजाइन बनाते हैं. नहीं तो हम बालों में भी लगाते हैं बाल काला बनाने के लिए. है क्या नहीं? Mango leaves are considered aqueous. Betel leaves are used in making pan eaten by many India. Betel leaves means खाने का पत्ता. क्या बोलते हैं हम? खाउस पान. In Marathi we are saying the खाउस पान. Yes or no? खाने का जो पत्ता होता है पान लगाकर उसके ऊपर कुछ डालकर हम लोग बड़े आराम के साथ खाते हैं. Then Bittu said, "Oh, I did not know that. Thanks for information. Let me quickly show you the leaves. I have to meet the king in some time." So Bittu said that one. "Oh, I did not know that." Bittu ने कहा मुझे मालूम नहीं था. Thank you for giving me information. Now I have to meet to king sometime. Then leaves of different shapes. See, there are many types of leaves around. Some are oval, some are triangle, some leaves are short shapes and others heart shape. So different types of the shapes you will get there. Yes or no? For their leaves. You can see also. So some of the leaves also I brought for you. See there. These are the shapes. It's called Saptaparni. This tree is called the Saptaparni. We had planted. See these colors. See these the shapes. I have seen these colors and the shapes. It's the very different. Yes, or it's very green. Yes, it's called the main vein. It's called the main vein, and small veins also you can see from it. So from it has a pores, and from that pores also they can bring their food for the plant. It has a directly straight. Yes or no? It's very long leaves. Yes. Then see this one leaves. It has a different shapes. Yes, it has a like oval. It has a shapes. See the different types of this ticoma. This is called the ticoma leaves. Okay. See, it has the like the thorns. Actually, it's from the side of that the leaves. It has a cutted. It has not cutted, but it has a natural. It has a natural look. So this is the different types of the leaves. And third one is that, you know, these leaves, which one leaves we had planted near to our school. Yes, badam. Yes, it's called the badam leaves. See, it's very big. Some of the palm leaves also we have, it's very big. So like that. So you will get the different types of the leaves and their shapes, their size. But color almost green. Yes or no? Now, in the pictures also you can see the different types of the leaves. Yes? Leaves with fragrance. Fragrance means like smell. Leaves of many plants have special fragrance. Leaves of plants such as tea plants, tulsi plants and lemon are also for their fragrance. Yes or no? Tea plants. Good. हम चाय पीते हैं टी प्लांट की तरह से. तुलसी प्लांट चाय में भी डालते हैं. लेमन के जो पत्ते होते हैं, कुछ पत्ते ऐसे होते हैं कि अगर चाय में आपने डाले तो चाय बहुत अच्छी होती है. Now leaves with different ages, just as shown that one. Leaves also show different types of edges. The edges of mango leaves are smooth, whereas the rose leaf is thorny. The grape leaves has beautiful zigzag edges. See, for examples, okay. Leaves with different edges. So this is called the edge. How is edge is plain? Yes or how its edge is the very plain. But if you see the rose leaves, if you take the rose leaves, you will get that leaves on the side of that it's cutted, it's thorny. I have told before only. You will get the thorny edges. Yes or no? You will get the thorny edges, and some leaves are the cutted. So see, these leaves are the cutted. Okay, like that the different leaves you will get. Do it to know it. See. Collect the different types of leaves from the school garden or surroundings. Then you have to collect some of the leaves from your surroundings. Now it is not possible you have to come to the school and to collect some of the leaves. If you come in the schools, you will get the variety of the leaves. A lot of plants we planted in our school gardens. Around 900. More than 900 not, sorry. More than 1400 we had planted the trees. हमने स्कूल में 1400 के ऊपर पेड़ पौधे लगाए हैं. 1400 के ऊपर, और सब डिफरेंट है. अगर आप आओगे तो आपको बहुत सारे प्लांट्स दिखने मिलेंगे. Now count the number of green, yellow and red leaves. Now you have to collect the some of the leaves. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to count some of the green plants, green leaves, yellow leaves and some of the red leaves. You will get that one. Like that also leaves you will get in the atmosphere. Not, but mostly you will get the green colors, but you will also get the yellow colors and the red colors. आप बहुत सारे आपको पत्ते ऐसे मिलेंगे जो ग्रीन कलर में हो गया, और कुछ येलो और कुछ रेड में भी आपको मिल सकते हैं. Now measure the length of the leaves with a scale and arrange them in ascending, increasing order to their length. Then what you have to do, you have to take that all the leaves and you have to measure that the leaves. आपको leaves लेना है और आपको सबको उसके measurement करना है. आपको scale लेना है और उसको सबके measurement आपको लिखना है. Draw the picture of the longest and the shortest leaf next to each other and color them. Then you have to draw the longest leaf and the shortest leaf in your notebooks and you have to color it. आपको सबसे जो पत्ता है मिल गया उसका ड्राइंग करना है, और सबसे छोटा पत्ता है उसका भी ड्राइंग करना है, और आपको उसको कलर करना है. Observe and try to find the type of edges of all leaves. Then you have to collect all the leaves and then you have to see the edges. You have to see this one. Edges also you have to be see. But don't cut unnecessary leaves. आपको पत्ते unnecessary तोड़ने नहीं है. जितनी ज़रूरत है आप उतने तोड़ो, नहीं तो बच्चे क्या करेंगे, जाएंगे खान सब पत्ते लेकर आएंगे. ऐसे नहीं करना है आपको. जो एक एक दो दो तीन तीन चार चार पाँच पाँच पत्ते सिर्फ आपको लाने, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ के पत्ते आपको लाने हैं. हाँ, क्योंकि प्लांट्स आल्सो हैव द इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स. प्लांट्स को भी इमोशंस होती है, आपको उसको तोड़ना नहीं है. ठीक है. आप जब आप कॉलेज लाइफ में जाओगे तब आपको ये पता चलेगा कि प्लांट्स आल्सो हैव द फीलिंग्स. अभी तो आपको यही समझना है कि प्लांट्स को भी दर्द होता है, आपको उसके पत्ते नहीं तोड़ने. The tree asked, but I have one question. Okay, the tree asked the one question to the widow. Why did the king send you on the tour. Then why lion is the king of jungle? Lion. Why this lion has sent you to the tour? This is the one question. आपको लायन ने जो किंग है, जंगल का राजा है, उसने आपको क्यों टूर पर भेज दिया? Bitu replied, well, don't spread this around, but there are the rumors that humans are coming to our forest. See, Bitu replied, don't spread this around. So you don't spread this one around, but these are the rumors. Rumors means afwa. Rumors means afwa. That humans are coming to our forest. क्योंकि एक अफवाह जो फैली है कि जंगल में लोग आए हैं, आदमी लोग आए हैं. They may destroy the forest as they are looking for something below our land. So they are going to be destroy our the forest. और वो हमारा जो घर है, हमारा जो जंगल है, उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहते हैं. So the king has already started looking for suitable place where all animals can be shifted. So the king has decided we have to go in the safe place where we can be live safely. तो किंग ने कहा है कि मुझे आप सब घूम के आ जाओ, क्योंकि कौन सा जगह ऐसी है जहाँ हम सभी एनिमल्स एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं. क्योंकि अगर हम जंगल में गए, लोग क्या करेंगे? जंगल तोड़ेंगे, है क्या नहीं? और अपने लिए इंडस्ट्री, घर, फैक्ट्रीज वहाँ बनाएंगे. तो हम अपने लिए घर बनाएंगे, तो जो उनका घर है एनिमल्स का, तो वो कहाँ जाएंगे? है ना, वो कहाँ जाएंगे? उनको तो भी घर चाहिए. तो ठीक है, वो उनके लिए लायन ने कहा था कि चलो हम अपने लिए दूसरा घर ढूंढते हैं, दूसरी जगह जाते हैं जहाँ ये लोग नहीं आ सके. The tree said, well, you guys are lucky. At least you can move, you can run, but we. The tree said, well, you all animals are very lucky because you can run, you can move from one place to another. But think about we. Because plants cannot be go from one place to the another. Their roots are fixed on the ground. Yes or no? So they cannot move. They can grow. They are the living things. They can grow, but they cannot move. So the tree said, you are the very lucky. You can move, but see we. Then what we are doing? We are cutting the trees. So it's very bad for them. So here is our lesson as the whole. अब तो आपको लेसन समझ में आया होगा. मैंने हिंदी में भी समझाया, इंग्लिश में समझाया. आपको लेसन समझ में आया होगा. कल हम क्या करेंगे? हम जाएंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के पास. तब तक आपको क्या करना है? आपको लेसन रीड करना है, मेमोराइज करना है. जो डिफिकल्ट है वो आपको देखना है. तब तक बाय बाय.